So another data structure that you can make use of in Visual Basic is the list, and it's quite useful again for storing elements of the same data type, is it? But of course, you realize that with a list, it's going to have some additional features that you can perform on it, unlike an array. Because for the most part, arrays, we say they are immutable. Is it once you create an array, you cannot change it easily without having to make use of the redeem keyword. But with lists now, you tend to enjoy some added benefits like adding elements to the list on the fly and so forth and so on. So maybe let's actually go ahead and get started with lists. So I'm going to declare a module called program. Then by now, I'm sure you know the drill. Main method that has a parameter of code args of type string. Then we can then come down here and declare, maybe let's declare a list of cities. So you can say dim cities as new list, right? So that's how you declare a list. Then you are going to follow with the of type, of keyword rather. Then you can say of string. So I want you to notice the notation right here. Is it? It's going to be dim cities, that is the identifier for the name of our list, as then we are making use of the new keyword. Is it? So essentially, this is going to instantiate or call the list constructor. Is it? Because list is actually a class in Visual Basic. Then then the data type that we want to create or to store inside of the collection. So now we can go ahead and add some items. So now add data into the list. So in order to actually add data into the list, we can say cities.add. So we can make use of the add function. Then maybe let's add the capital. If I can just spell the capital. Alright, then maybe let's add 5 more cities there. Let's have the second capital, or the second largest city in Zimbabwe. Then we can go with Gweru, I think. Maybe we can put Bindura here. Then we can put Mutare, maybe. Right, so that's how you can actually add items to the list. Then we can print an item from the list. So in order to print an item from the list, we should just make use of the index position for that particular list. So for that particular element, as it were. So right line. Then we can say the city at index 0 is, then we concatenate with the index position, rather with the city that is at that particular index position. So we can say cities, let's say index position, we want to print the first element. So it's going to be 0. Then maybe let's actually print another city that is at index position, maybe say 3 for whatever reason. Then yeah, that's the structure of a list. Let's go ahead and run this code and see what we get down there in the console. So you realize that it's saying that in the city at index position 0 is Harare, then at index position 0 again is Bindura. The reason why I'm getting that is because I said 0 there instead of 3, right? And then we run that code one more time, and we should get index position 3, right? Is Bindura. So just like that. So that's how you can actually access elements inside of a list. Then in much the same way with an array, you can also iterate elements inside of a list, making use of a for loop. But I think maybe we'll be looking in more detail at that as we progress with the series. But I think that's just about it for this episode. I'll see you in the next one.